This is fit for a 2010 through 2018 and likely beyond Toyota 4Runner with factory installed raised side rails. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Rhino-Rack Vortex SX base roof rack system. The system is using the Vortex Aero load bars in black, 50 inches in length, the SX100 legs which connect to the raised side rails with custom shaped jaws. It is fastened to the side rails with a fastener behind the tamper resistant end cap. Crossbars are positioned at 32 inches from front to rear, center to center. That distance is variable along the length of the side rails. Maximum weight carrying capacity is 175 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with the sunroof when equipped. This product and the full line of Rhino-Rack products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please visit our website for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.